Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Huawei Pura 70 smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, camera and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the name of the device, Huawei branding. All of these are in golden color that looks very premium and beautiful. Here we got the X-Medge or Z-Medge branding, and this device comes with the Kunlun glass protection. Once again, golden color Pura 70 branding. Here we got the information that the device we got comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. The color variant is white, and this is a special review unit, not for sale. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Huawei Pura 70. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, case for the back panel. Here we got a 66-watt Huawei supercharged charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei Pura 70. The smartphone, 66-watt charger, case for the back panel, USB Type-C cable and a SIM card tray ejector pin. Since this is a special review unit, it does not come with user guide, warranty card, etc. But in your unit, you will find these as well. So here is our Huawei Pura 70 in white color. So let's switch on the device. Okay, so the setup is already done. So the nice guys at Huawei already did the setup for me and we are good to go with our Huawei Pura 70. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, the very first thing you will notice is that how slim are the bezels and how huge is the screen to body ratio. The bezels on the sides are extremely thin. Same goes with the bottom bezel as well as the top bezel. At the top center of the display, we got this tiny punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit that works as the earpiece as well as the secondary speaker. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the nano SIM card tray slot. It comes with 2 nano SIM card slot and there is no option to expand the storage. We got some antenna lines at the bottom as well as on the left side and at the top as well, along with the secondary microphone. On the right side we got the power button and the volume rockers. Like many previous Huawei smartphones, the Pura 70 also comes with this nice red accent on the power button. But the most interesting and eye-catching part of the design of Huawei Pura 70 is the back panel, as it comes with this unique camera island design that you will find only on Pura 70 series. At the bottom we got the Huawei branding, no regulatory information at all on our review unit, and then at the top you will find this camera module that occupies most of the top of the back panel. We got the X-Medge branding here as well, and the camera island is divided in two parts. We got this triangular guitar pick like camera island out of which the lenses are coming out. So the camera module is pretty prominent and it will wobble a bit for sure, as you can see on a flat surface. We got this aluminum frame that comes with glossy finish and attracts a bit of fingerprints and smudges. The display is protected by the second generation of Kunlun glass and it is expected to be super durable. Pura 70 also comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it, so it is nice that Huawei is providing dual protection on the display of Pura 70. The back is also made of glass and the frosted finish is very smooth, feels so premium and it looks premium as well. The back panel is totally flat. We got very sharp edges on all four sides and it weighs 207 grams. So it is a bit on the higher side when it comes to weight, but the device feels super solid, very premium in hand, and the build quality is brilliant from every aspect. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and everything else is also flagship level in terms of design build quality of the Pura 70. Talking about the display, we got a 6.6-inch LTPO OLED display with 1 billion color reproduction, 120Hz refresh rate and 91% screen to body ratio. The PPI you will get on the display of Pura 70 is 460, and because of that the display is super sharp. The colors are vibrant, beautiful, and the viewing angles are great as well, as you can see here. In the display setting you get the option to select the 60Hz mode, 120Hz mode, or go with the dynamic, and I will personally prefer to go with dynamic because this device comes with an LTPO display, so the screen refresh rate can go as low as 1 Hz and it will contribute in the better battery life. It also comes with a smart resolution feature that automatically adjusts the screen resolution based on the activity you are doing. It also comes with HDR images feature that displays HDR images in the phone gallery. We have seen this feature on other smartphones as well, and this is also a nice inclusion on Pura 70. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 2500 nits. So this is quite impressive as you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, and the lowest brightness is extremely low. So you can use your Pura 70 in low light situation without putting any strain to your eyes. So it does not matter what kind of lighting condition you are in, you will be able to use Pura 70 without any issues because of its brilliant display that looks very beautiful and gorgeous from every angle. Talking about the software, the Huawei Pura 70 comes with Emotion UI 14.2 with an Android 12 core built in. So even though it does not come with the Google Play Store officially, it still supports Android application, and there are many workarounds and options available to use the Google services on your Huawei smartphones. Huawei guys pre-installed the Gbox application here on my Pura 70 review unit, and there is a folder of Google applications that they have installed on this device as well. So now my device is connected to the Wi-Fi, so let's give them a try. So you can see that it is working perfectly here on my Huawei Pura 70. If I go to the Play Store, it's working fine as well. As you can see, I can download and install any of these applications on my Huawei Pura 70 and use all of these Google applications and other third-party applications from the Play Store on my Huawei Pura 70. So once again, even though officially it does not come with Google Play Store, it's extremely easy to use all of the Google applications on Huawei Pura 70 with the help of the Gbox. As you can see, we got plenty of social media applications pre-installed on my device. I'm not sure whether you will get them or not. Huawei team did a very nice job in customizing my device and giving me all of the social media applications like WhatsApp, Snapchat, everything is pre-installed. Here you will find some of the regional banking applications, and in this Huawei app folder you will find some of the Huawei applications like the email, browser, file manager, Huawei wallet, calendar, etc. And in the tools you will find some other useful applications like the voice recorder, Huawei AR Measure, Find Device, calculator, compass, etc. And then we got all of these smart folder that give you the suggestion that which applications and games you must download on your Huawei smartphone for each of these categories. And once again, you can see some of the travel applications are pre-installed here on my Huawei Pura 70 as well. And Huawei team was nice enough to install some of the popular games like PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, etc. as well. So as you can get the idea, once again, even though it does not come with the Google Play Store, you will be able to use the Gbox and Play Store on your Huawei Pura 70 and install all of these popular applications, whether from Google or third-party applications, to use on your Huawei Pura 70. And as we have seen, Emotion UI is very feature-rich, comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. So we will talk about all of these smart features in our future videos. Right now I just want to give you an idea that how feature rich and customizable is the Emotion UI on Huawei Pura 70. Talking about the hardware, it comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the device is powered by Huawei's Kirin 9000 S1 processor. That is a bit old processor and it does not support 5G band outside China. So this is one of the major drawback of Huawei Pura 70, that it does not support 5G, but still depending on the region and country, 5G might not be a high priority for you, and then you are good to go with Pura 70. Because of the Kirin 9000 S1 processor, the performance of the device is going to be a bit low compared to other devices in the same price segment. We will see how good the performance of Huawei Pura 70 is going to be in our benchmarking test review and the gaming review of Pura 70. So if you are interested in knowing about it, do not not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Now talking about the camera, we got a 13 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos, and then on the back we got triple rear camera setup that comes with 50 megapixel primary camera with laser autofocus and optical image stabilization. We got 12 megapixel 5x telephoto lens and 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So the setup is pretty much same like the Huawei P60, just a bit better sensor and resolution for the primary camera. Even though it is the cheapest smartphone in the Huawei Pura 70 series, I would personally prefer if there was a better ultra-wide-angle camera provided instead of the pretty common 13 megapixel camera. It comes with Z-Image imaging features, and if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So in the photo mode, you can see that it comes with wide angle 1x, 2x, 5x and up to 10x toggle. We got the moving picture option as well. And then we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the snapshot. This is one of the most highlighted feature of Huawei Pura 70 series as it captures images of fast moving objects. So we will give it a try and see how good the performance of snapshot mode is going to be in our detailed camera review of the device. So once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. The snapshot mode is available on primary camera, telephoto lens as well as on the wide angle lens. Then we got the night mode where you can manually select the ISO level, and once again it is available for all three lenses. If you go to the video mode, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 60 fps, and we got the option for 720p resolution videos at 60 fps as well. That is getting pretty instinct on majority of the smartphones these days. The wide angle video recording is not available at 60 fps mode, whether for full HD resolution or the 4K resolution or the basic 720p HD resolution. So the wide angle camera on Huawei Pura 70 supports only 30 fps video recording in any mode at any video resolution. If you go to the Pro mode, here you will find the options to change all of these camera settings and parameters. You also get the option to select between the JPG and RAW and the option for focus assist lighting. If you go to more, here you will find the option for slow motion, panorama, light painting, time lapse, sticker, documents, dual view, high resolution. We got the story creator, aperture, multicam and super macro mode. So as you can see, when it comes to camera features and options, Huawei Pura 70 is super feature rich just like other Huawei P series smartphones, and we will see how good the performance of the Huawei Pura 70 camera is going to be in our upcoming camera review video. But at the first glance, it is looking very feature rich for sure, as you can see here. It comes with 4900 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charging, 50 watt fast wireless charging, 7.5 watt reverse wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging. So once again, this is quite nice that Huawei is providing the fast wireless charging on the cheapest and the base model of Huawei Pura 70 series. Overall, the Huawei Pura 70 is a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment, even though it is the most basic model in the Pura 70 series. The design and build quality is brilliant and flagship grade in every aspect. The display is beautiful, super bright and gorgeous, and the camera setup is very promising and feature rich as well. Some of the drawbacks are that even though the Emotion UI 14.2 is very feature rich, can run Android applications as well as the Google Play Store and Google applications, officially it does not support the Play Store, and many people can find it a deal breaker. Another drawback is that even though it is a flagship smartphone, it comes with mid-range processor with no 5G compatibility outside China. Other than these 2 points, everything about the Huawei Pura 70 is flagship level, and if you can ignore the 2 drawbacks I have mentioned, then you will love the Pura 70 for sure. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Pura 70 like the gaming review, benchmarking test score result, camera review, battery charging speed test, battery drain test, comparison with other smartphones etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.